Good morning. I apologize if I'm not like super energized, you guys. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning, something like that. So I am extremely tired. I hope that you guys can hear me. If not, bear with me, child. Hit me up in the comments if you can't hear me. Ask me anything, okay? This hair. So I just took out my false locks by Urban Beauty. Love that hair. It was wonderful, though I only kept it in a week. You guys know there's way too much hair for me. Like, it was way, way, way too much hair. So I got so irritated with it being so much hair till I just really wanted something more natural. Like, if I wore my natural hair, though, like, that would be work. And I'm not trying to do any work. You feel me? I'm not trying to do any work. So I wanted to get something a little bit more natural because, just basically going from one extreme to the other, like you get tired of so much hair. So now you just want something simple. So what I did was I checked out my local beauty supply store, shout out Beauty and Beyond. And I went back to the Zury collection because they have so many different curl patterns that I haven't tried yet. So this hair installed is the B8910 collection. Is the Wanda Curl. Right? Yeah, Wanda Curl. So I guess my initial thoughts on this hair, I will go over the texture. I will go over the frizz rate for me from 1 to 5, and just an overall synopsis of the hair so far. I've only had it in for a few days, so keep in mind that this is my initial review. But if you want an update on it, then hit me in the comments and I'll do that. If I don't make the video, at least I will let you know in the comments about the hair. So first, the style that I'm going for, I'm going to try to place a picture somewhere probably along in here of the style kind of that I was looking for. The hair that model has on, I mean, I think that's actually her hair, but the curl pattern of her hair remind me more of Go-Go Curl. But I was really trying to be cheap, to be honest. Like, Go-Go Curl for free trizz is like, think it's $6.99 a pack in my local BSS, or $7.99 a pack, something like that. And I think Zury has a Go-Go Curl, but it didn't have great reviews on it, so I didn't want to get that. Especially when we had the whole waterway fiasco. So if you haven't seen that video, check that out. But so anyway, I went for the Wanda Curl because I haven't done it before, and plus it was $14.99. Now online, like places like Ebony Line, it's like $8-9 a pack. But I've heard bad things about Ebony Line. I haven't had any bad experiences yet. So I mean, check around, because like I said, they do have some bad reviews when it comes to that site. But I haven't experienced it, and half of my wig collection is from there. Probably most of my wig collection is from there, and I know I've ordered several crochets and it's been fine for me, but whatever. So I know I've ordered that brand before from Ebony Line, and it was like $8-9 a pack, something like that. So you might get it a little cheaper versus going to your local beauty supply store. But that's really with any hair, you're gonna get it cheaper online anyway. But so the hair, this was the style I was going for. Now the model, she had hers braided. I was too lazy for braiding because I wasn't feeling well anyway. So I ended up just like doing some flat twists on this side. And then I did like a the invisible part method at the top. And also I will have an installation video coming up in just a few seconds, just to show you how I did the hair. Yeah, so eventually I do shut up and it goes on to the installation, okay? But anyway, so the hair, my initial thoughts, the feel of it, it is kinky. It's a kinky texture. It's not silky really at all. You'll see in my installation video, usually I split the hair throughout my entire install. But this hair, I did not. I only split the strands on the invisible, when I did the invisible knot method right here. But everything else that you see is installed like with the full curl. And I did that because I knew that this wasn't going to be like one of my versatile styles that, you know, you need to be able to hide the knots as good as you can. If the knots need to be as neat, you know, as small as it can be and all of that. I knew that this was the only way I was going to wear this hair. And and the only part that was going to be exposed was this. So you won't be able to see the big knots in here. And it literally, you know, cut down my time more than in half. And then I went through at the end of the installation and I kind of just split the curls apart, kind of like I did with that Curl-a-con. Did I do a video for that? I don't know. I'll have to check that, and if I didn't, I'm gonna do one. Anyway, it does have some small frizz. Now, it had frizz initially coming out the pack. Not bad frizz, like natural kind of frizz, not crochet frizz, you know, crochet frizz, you know, that's my new word, crochet. Not crochet frizz, but just like I've done twist out on my hair and I've had it in for a few days kind of frizz. Now, it does concern me that it frizzed immediately. Usually it'll take a couple days, you know, like if you have a good texture hair, crochet hair, usually it'll take, you know, a few days, or, you know, at least a couple days if you're being reckless like myself, for it to actually like really frizz up. But this frizz straight out the pack. Though it looks good now, it has me concerned for how long it's going to last. So I'm not sure how that's going to be now. Again, like I said, if you want to update on that, that's fine. But let me see if you can see it. You see the frizz? Like, it's not terrible. Like, it looks okay. It just kind of makes it look a bit more natural right now. But I'm just concerned on where that's going to go in the future. So, I'll keep you updated on that. But otherwise, like, do y'all think it's natural? Let me know if it looks natural to you guys, or if it looks crazy. Does it look like I just didn't finish my hair? You know, I don't know. My bead come off. I like cut this in half, trying to get it to do right. I don't know, girl, figure me, I don't know. So on the frizz scale, you know, I would probably right now give it like a 3. 5 being the worst, 1 being no frizz at all. I would give it about a 3. But this will be the 3rd day. And you know, it's already at a 3. So I don't know how that's gonna play out. I'm not sure if I showed you the curl pattern on the installation video. So hold on. Let me get a strand of that leftover hair so you can see what the pattern is. 1 second. I forgot to get it. Okay. Alright, so these are like the 2 pieces that I had left. And I don't know if, can you see like the frizz on it? Like the little bit of frizz. But this is the curl pattern. It kind of looks like a wand curl. Why does somebody call it Wanda? I don't know. But you see it's got just a little bit of frizz, like right out the pack. It's like a 2. And then, like I said, it's been a few days and it's already escalated to a 3. So, I don't know. But like I said, if you want to update on it, hit me in the comments and I will make sure to let you guys know. Also, you know, if it does change, I will post it on my Instagram if I don't post it on YouTube. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram already, please do. It is Shay Love Hair, 1 word. And oh my God, I think that's it, you guys. Join us on Facebook for it's We Love Hair. So anyway, I'm gonna shut up and I'm just gonna go into the installation video, and I'll see you girls next time. Peace and blessings.